Dongguan Lan Ke Automation Technology Company Limited, established in 2015, located on 2 and 3 floor of the building, has become one of the leading manufacturers in Guangdong Province, specializing in the R&D, production, sales, and service of soldering machines, automatic terminal crimping machines, injection machines, cutting and stripping machines, winding machines. Committed to strict quality control and R&D investment, we won the glorious title of High-Tech Enterprise, certified by Guangdong Provincial Department of Science and Technology. Our professional engineers can customize, develop, and design products to ensure your complete satisfaction. We welcome the cooperation between OEM and ODM. Our high-quality products, diversified design, and professional services make our products very popular in China and global markets. Our customers are all over Europe, America, and Southeast Asian countries like Pakistan, Vietnam, and India. In order to better serve our customers, we have set up service centers in Pakistan and India. When you choose exquisite technology, excellent quality, competitive price, and professional service, please consider us. We have a strong R&D team and lots of skilled workers to ensure the quality and on-time delivery of orders. If you are interested in our products or want to customize, please contact freely. We sincerely welcome friends all over the world to visit our company and look forward to developing, exchanging, sharing, and cooperating with you.